guys, we are going home na. Nandito na si Alexander. And today, we are going to fix mga, yung sa mga, sa garden. Kasi nga,
lots of pots of all flat ones.
yes, kasi diba, I purchased 6 big, very big pots.
But not Dada is, but not Dada's is the, but not Dada's, you can only do that few days.
Yeah, so
if you eat all time and for the guts, it's not healthy.
it's not healthy. McDonald's is not healthy. So
But sometimes,
just sometimes, yeah.
That's why you don't take me every day.
Yes, you're right. Cause I want you to be a healthy boy. So anyway, guys, today we're going to make holes sa mga pots. Kasi yung mga pots is wala siyang
I
holes.
put the number 2 in the
In the drill.
Number 1 in the drill is so slow, so I can't do it. So I chose it to 2.
And I purchased madaming pots. It's because I'm not really sure which area I will put the flowers and plants and like that.
Put them in my flowers.
And then we need to clean the garden kasi it's a bit messy, you know, and I need to tell Alexander where he will put all his toys and something like that. Cause soon when the living room garden is clean and nice, I will purchase sofa.
Mommy,
patio.
Did you clean the beds? I said to you to clean
the bed. Not yet because
your bed you did
I will clean. Okay.
You need to clean your bed.
Yes, because Alexander is cleaning his own room, and his room is actually clean. I will show it to you next time.
My room is not clean. You made it dirty with all your things.
Yeah, that's why I need to get all my things so your room again become clean. Okay.
And you put the iron outside and.
So, what is that? You have a hiccup again?
And how rude are you? Can you talk when a kid is talking?
Oh my God, you're so strict.
And the teacher said no.
Okay. So anyway,
I need to be more strict to you like your army.
Army?
Yes.
How did you learn these things?
I hear what Daddy said.
Huh? Oh my God, Alexander. Your hearing is so good. So, yan, garden and his room today I will get. Kasi nandun yung aking mga laundry na kailangan kong i-fold. So, I need to clean it kasi nga ayaw niya na ginugulo ko yung room niya. And then, after that, garden. And after garden, I will rest. Because I'm sure I will be so tired, guys. Kasi today, it's very windy in UK. And, ano siya, super windy niya. And then, yung aming mga plants na medyo, yung palm tree namin, hindi ko pa kasi siya nalagay sa pots. Kasi bibili kami nung super laki talagang like 70 cm na pot, tapos ceramic, so sobrang bigat niya. Last time we went to the shop na meron silang mga pots na ceramic, kaso nga lang hindi malagay namin sa sakyan kasi dalawa yung bibili namin, pero super heavy niya, guys.
It's 8.
Huh?
It's 8.
It's like 40 kilos each.
No, it's 8 to 9.
What are you talking, Alexander? Do you want to say something to guys?
Alexander. I am Ethan.
Do you want to say something, Alexander?
I'm just Ethan, which is Alexander, and the same teams with him.
Okay, so yeah, I'm excited to plant. And then yung aming mga roses din, pero alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Ang gagawin ko, side by side ko sila later. Side by side ko sila ilalagay. Until I have finalized kung saan ko talaga sila gusto. Pero gusto ko silang ilagay sa malalaking pots para lumaki talaga sila. And yung ibang roses ko sa maliliit muna until later na I will change it, or maybe I put it sa lana. Anyway, yung pots hindi naman niya masasayang kasi from time to time I will add naman talaga din. Kasi super ang lalaki talaga ng aking mga mga pots, guys. And actually pwede naman sana yun na direct to the land, pero magdidig ka pa kasi, something like that, which is actually okay lang din naman. Actually I'm confused, what should I do? Kasi pwede naman talaga kaming magdig. You can dig, Alexander, yeah? No? Why?
But you said I can't dig the wall.
Okay.
What do you mean?
No, like dig sa, not in the rocks, in the grass, so we can put the roses like that.
Dig the grass?
Yeah, so we
can't dig the grass.
Why?
It's because the grass is so strong.
Oh,
There's rocks under the grass.
no.
Do you remember last time you opened the grass, the plant, and there's rocks underneath?
Really?
Yes.
We'll check it. I don't know. Yeah, sa pots na lang muna, and then later on I will decide. Basta yung palm tree sa ceramic pots namin, para as yung super laki niya talaga. Pakita ko sa inyo soon, guys. And ito yung aking neighbor. Here, yeah? You like here, Alexander? Ang dami nila mga bulaklak, flowers. I like that. Yung garden, ito ceramic. Actually, tumitingin-tingin ako dito sa mga neighbor namin kung ano yung mga nasa labas nila. Nakikigaya. Nakikigaya sa mga, pero yung lavender lang hindi, kasi nga sobra nang marami ditong lavender. Ito yung gusto kong bahay. Kung makikita niyo yung sasakyan ko, kasi meron silang mga figurine. Yeah, looks beautiful. Pero ayaw ni Afam. Gusto ko sana lion. You know, Alexander, I like to put lion outside the house. Like a guard. But Daddy don't like it. What do you think? Is it a good idea to put lion?
Yes.
Yeah? But why Daddy doesn't like it?
I don't know. Just put lion outside. Do like that.
Okay, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung garden.
Guys, dahil super windy, nandito yung mga plants. Kasi nga, super windy, tapos wala pa silang pot na maganda. I mean, malaki. So, naano sila natutumba. Etong orchid, dito ko lang to lalagay malapit sa window. Tapos yung mga roses ko, kailangan i-repot. Kasi nga, tiyatinan nyo, dami pang kailangan gawin. Ay, super windy today. Super, yan. Mga i-repot pa yan. Madami pa actually akong pots. Ngayon, nandito pa yung iba. Ay. Tapos meron pa. Yan, madami pa talaga yan sila. Meron pa dun sa sasakyan. Kaya I need to use it na para hindi naman super clutter dito. Alexander? What are you doing?
Can I clean the car?
Yeah, clean the car. Yeah. Hey, don't put your feet there. No, don't do that, because it can hurt.
But you do it sometimes.
No,
I saw you do it sometimes.
for the small pots.
Huh?
For the small pots, this is big one. I thought this is the same with this one. It's different.